Do you feel prepared to hit your first real-world target? Imagine you've been grinding away at machines, and you've been picking up new skills, but you want a way to benchmark how far you've come so you have the confidence to put it all together. Hey, I'm Jex from Hack the Box, and this is why you probably shouldn't sleep on Pro Labs. But what are Pro Labs? Maybe you were scrolling through your socials feed and you saw some security professional that you follow post a certificate. And it's often accompanied by them talking about how many different techniques they learned or honed during the lab. Whether they were utilizing labs to develop their skills or preparing for a hands-on certification, they all agreed that it helped them push forward. Since Pro Labs were created with real-world scenarios to help you gain a more red team mindset about how you would tackle these problems. It has a lot to do with the fact that it's not just point-and-click security. And the reality is you're throwing everything at these labs. You're thrown into an enterprise environment where you have to exploit, escalate, and pivot throughout the infrastructure. And the mindset to be able to tackle that is critical because you're not going to be able to piece all these things together without a place to do that. But hold on, wait, where do I even start? Am I ready for this? Well, at this point, we have over 13 Pro Labs that are broken down into red team operator levels, which can help you because you might be professional already and you want to test your skills or keep them up to date on something worthwhile, or just starting out and really want to have a place to consolidate all the information you've learned. But regardless of which one you choose, you start at an entry point with the goal to compromise the entire environment. Because it's important to think critically. You're not just thinking about one particular application that you're trying to exploit or a couple of different dedicated machines. You're moving through a network. You have to own it all. But these Pro Labs scale when it comes to the operator difficulty because we take you into some pretty deep waters. And now they come in two different flavors, Pro Labs and Mini Pro Labs. You can try a Mini Pro Lab for a shorter experience, but the same amount of robustness that you'll find in a normal Pro Lab, or just head straight into a Pro Lab, which you'll be on your toes for a while. And you can take your pick at what kind of environment you want to go after. You might have heard me say this before, but do you want to hack a brewery? Well, we have an ICS environment that you can start in. We got that. Do you want to break into a virtual casino so you can learn AI bypassing and source code review? We've got that too. Or do you want to go straight to the one that benchmarks people for a variety of different hands-on certifications that are out in the field? Ta-da! Not to mention that Pro Labs is incredible practice for people who are trying to get a realistic approach on breaking into Active Directory, since it's one of the most sought out for skills in our field. But what do you walk away with? Sure, you get a certification that looks pretty rad. You get CPE credits for keeping your certifications or just showing continued growth. But honestly, one of the most important things that you get out of this is confidence, because there's not a lot of places you can get that. Pro Labs are made so that you can test your skills in an environment that makes you feel prepared for something that is real. So do me a favor, stop by HTB Labs and just look at some of the Pro Labs and see if any of them entice you. It's never too late to just go after one of these, because we feel like it's about time that you jumped into the real thing.